Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about 360 learning and ask, is it worth it? In order to do so, here we are at 360learning.com, and 360 Learning is a learning platform powered by collaborative learning. Upskill employees, train customers, and enable partners all from one comprehensive platform designed to deliver L&D impact. And we can sign up for a free trial. You can register for free. You could just take a look here at the main page. You could build a culture of collaborative learning and win the battle for skills. 360 Learning uses AI and collaborative features to turn your in-house experts into L&D collaborators so you can upskill fast and continuously, all from within your own organization. So the future of learning is here and it's collaborative. You can see here that you can book a demo, remove the headache of picking, integrating, and running multiple learning solutions, compliance training, employee onboarding, sales enablement, frontline staff training. 2,500 plus teams have adopted 360 Learning. Got some testimonials here. Loved by your peers, celebrated by industry leaders. Securing your success, our commitment to data protection. Looking to drive real impact, start here with expert-led, peer-backed resources. So we can just kind of see with that what 360 Learning is all about. You can book a demo if this is something that you are interested in. But is it worth it? Let's go ahead and ask AI. According to AI, 360 Learning is a learning management system that combines collaborative learning with traditional LMS features, making it a strong contender for businesses looking to enhance their training programs. It's particularly well suited for mid-sized businesses and enterprises aiming to simplify workflows and flatten the learning curve. The platform offers a range of features that are highly praised by users, including an intuitive authoring tool that allows for quick course creation, detailed training statistics, and integrations with various content sources. Users can create personalized courses in just 17 minutes, significantly reducing the time required for manual content creation. One of the standout features of 360 Learning is its collaborative learning approach, which empowers internal experts to become L&D collaborators, fostering a culture of continuous learning and upskilling within the organization. This is particularly beneficial for companies looking to upskill their workforce quickly and efficiently. User experience is generally positive, with many users noting the platform's ease of use and the availability of support. However, some users have reported challenges with certain functionalities, such as the complexity of managing user accounts and some technical issues that can affect the user experience. Customer services is rated highly, with users appreciating the responsive and helpful supporting team. The platform also offers mobile applications for iOS and Android, ensuring that users can access the LMS on the go. In terms of deployment, 360 Learning is available as an SaaS solution, cloud-based or web-based, providing flexibility for different organizational needs. Overall, 360 Learning is a robust and user-friendly LMS that is well suited for organizations looking to implement a collaborative and efficient training program. It is worth considering for companies that value ease of use, collaborative features, and continuous improvement. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.